Goa Fest Festival, which started from Thursday at Kavalosi Beach in South Goa, is in controversy as the leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has termed the festival as an invitation by the drug cartel in Goa. In the backdrop of the death of the 23-year-old Bangalorean girl Meha Bahuguna because of drug overdose at the Sunburn Festival in the North Goa, the government of Goa has given permission to another similar party in South Goa. The festival that began on Thursday will end on the 10th of March. However, addressing a press conference, Mr. Parrikar said that the Goa Festival has violated all laws of the state of Goa. Mr. Parrikar said that the festival was an indirect invitation by the drug cartel in the state and it would spoil Goa's reputation as Goa was already on top in the drug trade. Such festivals could happen only if strong political influence was applied. Otherwise, nobody would be in a position to grant permission to this type of festivals, Mr. Parrikar added.
I want government's clear policies. These are direct invitation to people for drug consuming somewhere. Maybe they will not consume it in the dome or the structure, but they will definitely, it is an invitation to push drug cartel, nothing more than that. When you have this type of festivals, you will go and see the participants dancing for 4-5 hours, and when you are that mega Bahuguna autopsy and all the report has not been received by you properly, you have not investigated that death properly, how come you are allowing this kind of festival again without proper scrutiny? The time itself indicates that it has not been properly scrutinized.
Speaking at the party headquarters on Thursday in Panjim, Mr. Parrikar said that the government was promoting this type of festivals with scant regard to the reputation of the state, and the organizers have even violated the CRZ Act.
They are violating the conditions of CRZ. They are putting up a dome structure almost in the water, I think. Air conditioned dome is being put up in water. There are many question marks. Number one, it is being conducted in CRZ 3. Number two, the time schedule which has been permitted, at least by tourism department, indicates 11 p.m. Of course, I am not saying that. I am saying that the violations which I feel are there. Of course, he will go under cover saying that you should obtain all necessary permits from different areas. But how can he himself allow something which does not fall within the permitted areas? Then there is a structure construction which is permitted. Whether he is the authority or CRZMM is the authority, Coastal Regulation Management Zone, that is the authority. So there are so many authorities involved. How come a festival for which application is given on a Sunday, I don't know whether it is received on a Sunday, but it is dated Sunday, 28/3 is a Sunday, has been cleared within 7 days without going into the merits and demerits or without understanding the total implication of such festivals.
However, the leader of the opposition said that the Minister of Tourism had not granted the permission, but the Director of Tourism did.